In this video, we will uncover how nature is shaping the future of wind energy, from surprising animal adaptations to biomimicry breakthroughs. We'll explore the game changing ideas that could dramatically boost wind turbine efficiency. As of 2024, the global installed capacity of wind power, that includes both onshore and offshore installations, has reached about 1,131 gigawatts. Together, these turbines generate roughly 2,330 terawatt hours of electricity per year, which is about 8 to 9% of the global power generation. That means even a 1% improvement in efficiency could translate into billions of dollars in additional energy value worldwide, and engineers are looking into innovative solutions that can bring this lucrative turnover by turning towards nature. The first innovation worth mentioning is the power cone, developed by Biome Renewables. Large wind turbines suffer from a phenomenon called root leakage, that is, air escaping through the gap between the blades and the hub. This effect can cause up to 2% losses in annual energy production. Root leakage not only diverts the airflow from the blades towards the hub but also aids turbulence. The power cone tackles the root leakage problem directly. It's a three-bladed co-rotating device that attaches to the turbine hub, inspired by two natural designs that are the kingfisher's bead and the flight of the maple seed. It redistributes airflow to improve aerodynamic efficiency. Like the kingfisher, which enters water with minimal splash by channeling fluid smoothly around its beak, the power cone guides the wind from the turbine root towards the outer blade spans. From the maple seed, the power cone borrows the principle of stable, low resistance rotation, channeling gusts smoothly and increasing the torque at lower wind speeds. The power cone has shown to increase the annual energy production by 1 to 2% while also lowering the cut-in speeds and thus enhancing overall efficiency. The next development comes from a company called Whale Power and was inspired by humpback whale flippers. It was the marine zoologist Frank Fish who noticed that humpback fins have tubercles, that is, bumpy ridges along the trailing edge of the fins. The agility of the humpback whale was attributed to its tubercle flippers, but this was only ascertained once computational fluid dynamics studies were completed. It was found that these tubercles increase lift and reduce drag, thus improving the lift to drag ratio. The way they do it is by delaying the point of separation of flow on top of a wing. An improvement of 20% has been recorded for lift coefficient, and a delay in stall angle is recorded to be up to 40%. When applied to wind turbines, tubercle blades can produce more power with smaller blades or improve efficiency for existing rotor designs, especially under turbulent or variable wind conditions. This technology was patented by Whale Power Corporation. It is envisaged that the tubercle blades may become more widespread once the design is released. The third bio-inspired innovation for wind turbine improvement is called feather edge technology. Wind turbines can generate noise. This noise can come from two main sources: the mechanical noise from the drivetrain and the aerodynamic noise, mainly from the airflow over the trailing edge of the blades. The feather edge design draws inspiration from the silent flight of owls, which use specialized feather edges to scatter sound. The double-dipped serration pattern, when applied to turbine blades, reduces turbulent boundary layer trailing edge noise, which is the dominant audible component of the turbine sound. Through a process called phase interference, feather edge shifts the sound energy to higher frequencies, which is less perceptible to humans and reduces low frequency amplitude modulation. Tests show that it can reduce the noise by 2 to 3 decibels while also offering aerodynamic gains within existing structural limits. It's so interesting how nature continues to inspire engineering solutions from kingfishers and maple seeds to whales and owls, helping us build quieter, more efficient, and more sustainable wind turbines. And with this, the video is concluded. If you learned something new, please do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for your attention.